This simple ChatGPT prompt, paired up with this humanization AI tool, removes the AI elements from these digital products, has allowed me to sell these digital products online, allows me to get sales online every single day with this one unspoken about strategy that I use that has never been spoken about before. In this video, I'm going to reveal and expose exactly what the strategy is, how you can create low-ticket digital PDFs that will sell over and over again with this one simple strategy. Like an example of this digital PDF that has now generated me a total net revenue of just over $680 online. This is the exact PDF guide that I generated with one prompt on ChatGPT that has now generated me over $680 online. I'm also going to show you a tool that you can use that will take all of the text from this PDF, remove the AI element from it so that it's undetectable. That makes it 100% completely humanized as if a person wrote it. This will allow you to claim your own copyright infringements on this content, sell it, do what you want with it. You can list it on Google Play Store, the Amazon Store. As we know, the Amazon Bookstore and the Google Bookstore does not allow AI content, so this tool will allow you to bypass that, allowing you to sell this anyway. But we're not going to be doing that in this case. I'm going to show you my specific strategy that I use to get over $680 in sales on this ebook. Now, the thing is with these types of ebooks, you can't sell them for very expensive as they're very general but good value knowledge, but not enough to be selling at hundreds and hundreds of dollars. The point of these ebooks is to list them for $7, $8, $9, $10, but you're going to get a lot of sales every day. And that volume is going to add up to a decent amount of money every single month. So this is how I did this. Come over to ChatGPT, and you want to go in and type the following prompt. I've already got it saved open here for you guys. I will leave it in the description down below so that you guys can actually go and copy it. Now, the thing is, this can apply for so many different niches. I'm going to be using the trading niche in my specific example of today's video because I'm a trader off of YouTube. I'm a full-time prop firm trader. I know this industry very well. Now, when it comes to this for you, I recommend choose a niche in something that you perhaps already know something about, whether that's psychology, health and fitness, nutrition, swimming lessons. If you're a teacher, I'm pretty sure there's something that you're passionate about or something that you know about. Because the beautiful thing about this is it's going to allow you to take that passion and turn it into an income. So for example, I want to write an ebook on how to trade profitably and manage your emotions. This book will be about 20,000 words, and I'm looking at having outlines that include making sure to trade with the market trend, manage risk well, and how important it is to be trading based on a trade plan instead of emotions. Now, all these specific things that you need to replace is, I want you to write me an ebook on how to replace your niche, on how to swim breaststroke and manage your breathing. This book will be about 20,000 words, and I'm looking at having outlines that include routine exercises to improve my swimming, breathing techniques to remain more calm in the water, and how important it is to take a breath every 20 seconds, for example. And you just want to include specifics on your specific niche. Here, I just brainstormed an example of the swimming niche, but once you do that, you can copy this, click on enter, and send this to ChatGPT. It's going to write you an entire outline of this ebook from chapter 1, chapter 2. Chapter 3 will, firstly, the introduction, your outline, which is your title. Then it goes into chapter 1, chapter 2, and it ends off at chapter 6. So it gives you the entire outline of the book. Then from there, what you're going to go and do is you're going to go and type, write me chapter 1. Okay, let's wait for this to finish. Enter, write me chapter 1. And ChatGPT is going to start writing you chapter 1 of your book. You want to repeat the same thing for chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. And what you can go and do is you can go and copy one chapter at a time. For example, chapter 1, right-click copy. Come over to this website called undetectable.ai. Paste your chapter into this text box and click on Humanize this text. You will need to log in with your account. Click on Check for AI. And it will tell you that your content is detected as written by AI because it was generated by ChatGPT. In order to go and remove this, click on Humanize, and it will completely humanize this text and remove the AI elements from this. So now you can go and click on Copy Output, close this, paste this back into this text box here and click on check for AI. And you can see here, your content appears to be human as it's not picked up by any AI generation software. The next step is to come over to docs.google.com to go and generate this PDF. Click on blank document and you can go and paste your entirely new generated article from chapter 1 all the way to chapter 6. Click on file, click on download and click on download as PDF. And you can save this ebook as a PDF format. Now we have a done for you generated product that is not quote unquote created by AI. It's now been humanized that we can go and sell. Now I want to show you exactly how I made $680 generating these simple PDFs. And this is going to be quite a controversial one, so make sure to keep watching because a lot of you might not agree with this, but it works. Come over to Instagram and I want to show you a simple Instagram page that I made called Funded in the trading niche. So this is a trading page where I replicate viral trading trends to get followers and to get views and to sell these digital products. Now I want to show you one simple reel that I created that hit 35k views in about 3 weeks, has done over $680 in sales on this PDF guide. Take a look at this. All I did was record myself sitting at my PC with a quote that I saw on the reel page that went major viral, and I just replicated over my own background content with a very similar caption and a call to action. To master prop firm trading, to gain access to my funding guide, comment course and I will send you this guide. Hundreds of people commenting course. I click on plus, hundreds and hundreds and hundreds. So the trick to this, 3 things that I want you to take note of, and I'll write this down and I want you to take note of this. Number 1, replicate Instagram trends in your niche related, or in your niche, have a call to action to your product. You don't want to be saying, click on the link in my bio or link in bio to the product. You want a direct call to action. This is going to increase your conversion rate by at least 5 to 10 times. Instead of link in bio, you want to have follow me and comment guide, and I will send you over the link to this guide. Firstly, it's going to create a ton of engagement and comments on your post. The Instagram algorithm, very similar to YouTube, loves engagement. It's a big metric that it looks at in its decision-making process in which videos it's going to decide to push to go viral. The videos that are getting comments, shares, likes plays a big role in pushing your videos. So that's why we rather have a call to action instead of a click on the link in my bio. Number 3, have your call to action automated, because this is going to allow you to reply to every single viewer. Even if your reel gets 1 million views, this automation software is going to allow you to respond and cater for every single one of them to make sure that you don't miss a single viewer. And this is how you set this up. Firstly, we need to go and set up our digital products on a platform called gumroad.com. So you can come over to gumroad.com, sign in with your free account. This is what it looks like. You can sell digital products on this platform. And the beautiful thing about this is you keep 100% profit of the sales, and it's completely free, lifetime. Click on your profile icon and it's going to take you to your profile dashboard. Click on products and you can now go and create a new product. So for the name of our product, we can come back to ChatGPT and just copy the name. Mastering the market, strategies for profitable trading and emotional control. We can copy this, paste this as our title, and the product is going to be a digital product. For our price, I recommend start off small. $7.99, $6.99, $8.99, nothing more than $10. Click on next and we can go and customize this. For the description, we can go and copy all of this. Just the brief description that ChatGPT generated us from our first prompt. We can paste this here. For our URL, we can keep this as trading guide. You can also connect a custom domain. So for example, if you want mytradingguide.com or jstradingguide.com, you can create your own custom domain. For your cover image, come over to canva.com, search up cover, book cover, and we can go and choose from any one of these book covers. Let's go and choose this one over here. click on Customize Template, and we can change up some of these images. So what I did was I took a couple of pictures of some charts from the trading markets that we can drag and drop onto this PDF guide. So instead of the business book cover, we can have the trading guide such as so, and then for our subtitle, Strategies for Profitable Trading and Emotional Control. So we can paste this here, just as this, and you can put your name by J. Froneman. We can extend this out, and for this text over here, we can have our Instagram. So for example, J. Froneman on Instagram. You can then click on share, click on download, and download this as a JPEG image. Click on download, and this will now download to your PC. We can come back to Gumroad.com, click on upload, computer files, and upload the new book cover that we have just created. So now it's as easy as that. We can click on save and continue, click on publish and continue. And over here, you can copy the URL. And if I paste this in a new tab, this is what your guide is going to look like. And they can check out with this item for $8.99 by typing in their email address, and they can check out with their card number. And how it works is that money is then sent to your Gumroad dashboard where you can withdraw straight to bank or via PayPal. And that's how you get paid. The next step is to come over to ManyChat. Now, ManyChat is a software where you can automate the call to actions on your content. Click on new automation and select convert your Instagram comments into sales. Click on setup template. And you will see over here, click on this option here. When a user comments on your post or reel, select your specific reel. So for example, this one, we can click on continue and choose your keyword. So in our case, guide. So what this means is when a viewer comments guide on our post, we're automatically going to send them a DM. So then we can click on continue, enable yes, random multiple replies. This means when somebody comments guide, you're automatically going to reply to that comment, which is good, which causes more engagement on your post. Click on save, and now click on the reply in DM. And this is the DM that you're going to send them once they comment guide. So here is your link. Thanks for your comment. Here is the link to your guide. And then go and copy the link to your Gumroad product and go and paste this over here. Just as so. Or we can type here, get your guide, and paste this link here. Click on done and then click on set live. So what that means is when somebody comments on this post, guide, in my example, I've got course, you can use any keyword. My page is automatically going to DM them a message with the specific message over here with the link to their guide. And you'll be surprised how many people buy these low ticket items. And that's how I made on just 35K views, over $680 in sales. Some sales come from these other reels as well. This one over here did quite nicely. It did about $80 in revenue. So every time I post on Instagram, I'm able to make really good revenue just through these reels. And I mean, my first post that I ever posted on this page got 2,000 views just because I replicated trends. And that's how I've gotten this page to 9,000 followers with only 25 posts. It shows you don't need to be anybody. You don't need to be Dwayne Johnson or Justin Bieber to get tons of views and get these kind of followers. You can be a nobody if you strategize your content correctly and learn how to piggyback these viral trends. I've had students that I've personally mentored to $10,000 and $20,000 a month businesses, creating simple reels like this, replicating trends in their own unique way, not copying them paste for paste. And on YouTube as well. Over the last few weeks, I've received close to about 50 DMs on how I can mentor you on how to do the same thing. And this is what I do full time, which leads to my launch day today of sixfiguretuber.com. So sixfiguretuber.com is a thorough 2-week program with a full curriculum that is listed on this website over here that I'm going to have just for you guys watching this video today, 96% off. The reason being is because I want to work closely with you guys. At the end of this program, you will have the opportunity to have me as your content creator and funnel mentor on WhatsApp, where you can get my WhatsApp number. And I will personally help you in designing your funnels, how to structure your content, how to brand your short video platforms and long video platforms for clicks and sales, and any questions related to any of the topics that I talk about in this curriculum. So I will leave a link down below to sixfiguretuber.com where you will get access for 96% off the original price. I'll leave a coupon down below. In brackets, the coupon is launch day. I'll put it up here on the screen as well. And the price will be marked down by about 96% from its original price. You will get lifetime access and also instant access upon using that coupon code, and also the opportunity for me to work with you one-on-one in helping you create your Instagram pages, how to structure your content, how to structure your funnels, and how to automate those funnels into your Instagram and YouTube channels with call to actions. With that being said, go and click on the link in the description down below. I'll put the coupon right next to that link, and I'll see you guys on the page over here through this free training video.